Hey guys, Chloe here, back in another video, and today I'm going to be disposing of all of my slime. So this is all of my own personal slime. This is everything I'm going to be turning into one huge slime smoothie. All my other slimes are like the other slimes that I'm keeping are for my Etsy. Behind me, I also have this bin which I'm going to be putting all the slimes into. The other things I will be adding are some things I want to get rid of. So I have some old foaming hand soap, old lotion. This is like a brand new scent. I've never used this, not because I don't like it, it's just because I don't really have anything to like put it in. There's no slimes that work with it. This is bath bomb mixture, which has, well, that's what it was called. It's from some old kit thing I had. I use it to melt down slime if they turn hard, because it contains like citric acid, which if you don't know, that like melts slime. And here I have a bunch of old like ingredients I never used, so I just mix them all together. Just spilled some of it on me. But there is fake snow, fake foam sprinkles, a lot of like foam bead mixtures, and there's a bunch of glitter in here as well. Honestly, I don't remember what all was in here, so I'm not going to be showing you each and every individual slime. Just some of like my favorites or something are the ones that I will show you guys. This is about the 10th slime here, and I'm showing you this one because it is one that is in my shop, but this is extra. That is my personal, I kept for myself. This is unicorn popcorn. It is a clear crunchy slime. It's sticking to me because there is so many other sticky things on my hands, but it is scented strawberry and watermelon, and it's super crunchy. So let's go ahead and add in this slime. Something, and I'm showing you this slime just because I think it looks really cool. There's so many different like layers in here. I think one is butter, one is instant snow, and one is glitter, but there's also some foam beads and glitter on top, and there's some weird dent, like little bowl in the middle. So my hands are filthy and disgusting. Hopefully my nails don't get ruined, but let's just continue pouring in some slime. I'm not sure if this slime is still very good anymore, but this slime was made out of old squishies. Just dropped a lot of it. Slime isn't the best anymore, but it was made out of old squishies that were chopped up and thrown into it for an Instagram video. I set this slime aside, and I meant to add it by now. But this is also a favorite slime of mine because it's really like thick and glossy. It's also pretty crunchy. This is lemon limeade. I do have, I think, one or two of these in my shop. It is scented exactly like the name, and it's really like, it smells so good, and it's just a really nice like texture. So I definitely suggest this slime if you're looking for a 4-ounce from my shop. I also forgot to mention was that there is over 100 slimes being added. I don't remember the exact amount, but there's definitely over 100 because there's still multiple here. So this one is like a candy corn slime. There is one of these in my discounted Halloween thingy in my shop, but it's just a nice and crunchy slime. I think the one in my shop is also unscented, but it's just a really nice thick slime. Now that we're working into my bigger batches of slime, I have this one here. This is banana milk, which is a butter slime that is also in my shop. I'm sorry I'm playing with this so weird. But this is banana milk. It's a super creamy and thick butter slime. It's pretty glossy for a butter slime. It's also super spreadable, and it smells so good. slimes are this cloud slime, and this is the base of a slime that was in my shop, which was cotton candy donut, and it's just a super sizzly pink cloud slime. But I turned this one into a cloud cream by adding some of 𝓲𝓸𝓬𝓬𝓱𝓲𝓷𝓰 slime clay. This next one, which is apparently more melted than I thought, was also made with 𝓲𝓸𝓬𝓬𝓱𝓲𝓷𝓰's slime clay. This little slime here was made with Crayola's glue. It is just a thick and glossy slime with some flower fumos in it. Slime here that I'm showing you isn't the best, but I'm showing you it because I got it from my friend Claire in 5th grade, and I still have it, and it was pretty good, but it melted super fast just now in my hands, honestly. So we're just gonna go ahead and put this in. Sorry, Claire, about your old slime. Alright, this slime here is one of my last. It is a blue, light blue butter slime. It smells like some sort of tropical beachy scent. I'm not really sure how to describe it, but we're gonna go ahead and add it in so we can finish up here because it's after midnight and I want to finish. Alright, now that I'm done adding every slime into this bin, I'm entirely disposing of all of these containers because they are most likely really old, full of chemicals, probably some mold somewhere. These are all just filthy and not worth saving or ever reusing. And mix this, and I'm just going in with one hand so I have another clean hand. So I'm grabbing this bottle of Elmer's magical liquid here to help me semi-activate this slime, and I'm not going to worry about getting the bottle dirty because I'm using the entire thing because this slime is pretty sticky, but also this activator takes a little bit more like than usual activator to activate. This is about halfway done, so I'm gonna go ahead and add in my other random extras in case they make the slime too sticky or make it a little bit stiff or anything. I'm gonna go ahead and just get as much of the solution as I can. The pump is broken, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pour it. This looks super pretty on top, so let's hope it helps just a little bit with the slime and how nasty it is turning. This here is an old slime that got a little bit stiff, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some of my bath bomb stuff to it to melt it down and like melt to mix in. Because melting this down will make all the foam beads come apart to mix in. Alright, this is pretty much done. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this green dye. We're going to try to freshen this up just a bit, make it one solid color that's actually like a little bit pretty maybe. I'm going to try to fold all of this dye into the middle. Dye just isn't doing it, but we do need another bottle of this 𝓬𝓪's magical liquid, but I cannot get it to open. So here is the pretty much finished slime. It's like an ugly green gray, and it's pretty thick. It smells good enough because I added so much scent to it to help, but it feels pretty odd. It's just full of texture because there's foam, glitter, snow, there's lots of clay in here. So that is all I have for you guys today. Always remember to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe. You can find my social medias in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!